वेलकम टू टुडेज़ वीडियो। आज की प्रैक्टिस में हम कुछ मोबिलिटी ड्रिल्स सीखेंगे। आप इसको सूक्ष्म व्यायाम भी बोल सकते हो। सम जेंटल मूवमेंट्स टू एक्टिवेट एवरी जॉइंट ऑफ योर बॉडी, जिससे कि आपके पूरे बॉडी में ब्लड सर्कुलेशन बढ़ेगा, एनर्जी इंप्रूव होगी एंड इट विल प्रिपेयर यू फॉर एनी मूवमेंट्स फर्दर अहेड। इट इज़ परफेक्ट टू स्टार्ट द डे विद दिस टाइप ऑफ मूवमेंट। लेट्स से अगर आपका कोई रूटीन है जिसमें आप वर्कआउट करते हो, या फिर लेट्स से आप योगासन प्रैक्टिस करते हो, या फिर आप फ्लो प्रैक्टिस जैसे कि सूर्य नमस्कार करते हो, तो उससे पहले ये करने से आपको बहुत बेनिफिट मिलता है, क्योंकि आपके जॉइंट्स ऑलरेडी एक्टिवेट हो जाते हैं इससे। इट विल कवर द टिप ऑफ द टो टू द क्राउन ऑफ द हेड। पूरा का पूरा बॉडी जो है उसके सारे जॉइंट्स को ये कवर करेगा। तो विदाउट फर्दर अडू लेट्स गेट इनटू द प्रैक्टिस। स्ट्रेच योर लेग्स इन फ्रंट। पैरों को ऐसे आगे फैलाएंगे। Keep both your feet together, palms by the side of your body, back straight. Now from here we will start from the bottom of the body. We will do toe stretch. पैरों की जो उंगलियां है उसको आगे पीछे करेंगे। 1, 2, 3. We will do it for 5 counts. 4 and 5. Now ankle in, out. इन आउट, इन आउट। इन पे इनहेल करेंगे, आउट पे एक्सहेल करेंगे। ट्राई टू कीप योर नीज स्ट्रेट हियर। वी विल डू इट फॉर काउंट ऑफ 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now we will do ankle rotation. 1, 2. यहाँ पे भी आप अपने पैर के जो घुटने हैं उसको स्ट्रेट रखने की कोशिश करेंगे। 4 and 5. ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में सर्कल्स बनाएंगे। 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we will bend our leg, hold it from here, lift up your leg, और जो पैर का ये वाला हिस्सा है उससे सर्कल बनाएंगे। 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. अभी दूसरे पैर से करेंगे। दूसरे पैर को मोड़ेंगे। We will support our thigh. Lift your leg up and make circles. 1, 2. बैक को स्ट्रेट रखेंगे। 4 and 5. ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन। 1. बड़े बड़े सर्कल्स बनाइए यहाँ पे। 4 and 5. We will do butterfly stretch from here. Join both your feet. Keep lifting your spine. स्पाइन को स्ट्रेट रखेंगे। We will flap for a couple of seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. From here we will take both our palms. दोनों हथेलियों को हमारी घुटने पे रखेंगे और दोनों पैरों को नीचे की तरफ पुश करेंगे। Keep lengthening your spine and lean forward. Keep your chest lifted here. We will hold this for a couple of breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Release. अभी इसके आगे अगर आप ज़्यादा फ्लेक्सिबल हो तो यू कैन स्ट्रेच योर लेग्स फॉरवर्ड, स्ट्रेच योर हैंड्स फॉरवर्ड एंड ब्रिंग योर फोरहेड टू द फ्लोर। और अगर आप कम फ्लेक्सिबल हो या फिर आप बिगिनर हो तो आप सेम पोजिशन में कंटिन्यू करें। अगर आप फ्लेक्सिबल हो तो यू कैन जॉइन मी विद दिस। We will be here for count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly lift up. Walk your palms closer to the body. Now keep your right leg bent and straighten the left knee. I'll move towards this side so that you can see me better. Now hook your feet in the opposite hand. Right feet in the left hand and knee in the same side. So you are hooking the knee and the foot in the hands, and then you swing from right to left, side by side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We'll do the same on the other side. Foot in the opposite hand, foot in the right, and knee tucked inside the left hand. Swing. 1, 2, 3. Try to lengthen your spine. 4 and 5. Release. You can shake out your legs in between whenever you feel like. We will do some upper body stretch now. We will start with the laterals. Side stretch करेंगे. Bring your right hand to the floor, right palm here. Slide your right palm. Lift the left palm up and bend your hand in the same direction, right direction, and gaze up, chest up. You can bring the elbows to the floor and keep sliding as far as you can. But make sure to lift your chest up, gaze up or in front. Hold here for count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We will move to the opposite side. Left palm on the floor. Slide your left palm. Raise your right hand up and bend towards the left. Keep looking up. Keep lifting your chest up and slide towards your left side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Come back to the sitting position. From here, we will do some shoulder stretch. Keep your palms like this, and then tap to the shoulders, in and out. Inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We will do it on the side. Stretch your hands on the side. Tap to the shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we will do shoulder rotation. You can shrug the shoulders up to the ears. Front, up, back and down. Front, up, back and down. Do this for 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now from here, we will stretch our neck. You can make circles from the neck. 1, 2, go slow here. 3, 4 and 5. We'll do it on the opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We'll stretch side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Up and down, up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and release. We'll do wrist rotations. Bring your arms in front and rotate your wrist in one direction. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Opposite direction. Try keeping your elbows straight here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we will do some squat here. We'll come to a yogic squat, Malasana, and we will walk here. This will help us open up our hips. Hip bone and lower body will be stretched here. So from here, you can try pushing your legs outwards by hooking the elbows here. Keep lifting the chest up. We'll hold here for 5 and then we will walk here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. From here we will walk in front and we will walk in back. Let's do this together. Keep breathing normally and try keeping your spine straight here. Walk till the end of the mat and now walk back. If you need the support, then you can bring the fingers to the ground like this. Keep walking till the end of the mat and walk back. Try to feel the stretch in your inner thighs and hip bones. Coming back to Malasana. From here, we will do some cat and cow. Come to the tabletop position. You can measure the distance like so. Stretch your arms and from here, you lift up yourself. You can have the feet hip widths apart, shoulders and palms stacked in one line. Inhale, arch, exhale, round. Inhale, cat, exhale, camel. So we do 5 more rounds like this. Inhale, lift up your chest, gaze up. Exhale, round your back, gaze down to the floor. Inhale up, exhale down. 3 more rounds. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. From here, you can rest in child's pose.